Hey everyone, it's Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you guys a very basic and affordable beginner's makeup kit. So if you are one of them, then keep on watching. Also I will mention all the product links in the description box below, so make sure you check them out as well. And let's get into the video. So starting off with face makeup, first is the primer. So I have the Lakme Absolute Undercover Gel Primer. This also comes in a different variant and also has a mini version. You can totally go for it, but a primer is really essential because it acts as a barrier between your makeup and your skin and also helps to create a flawless base. So you should always invest in a primer. So yeah, next moving on to the for foundation, I have this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is a really lightweight foundation and gives medium coverage, totally affordable as well. Just in case you don't like applying foundation or having a heavy base on your face, you can go for a BB cream. I have the Pond's BB cream. This one actually have two shades in it and I am in the shade 2 medium, and it has a very light coverage and it is very good for daily purpose as well. Moving on to the concealer. So for concealer, I have the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade 25 medium. This is also a very affordable product and it also helps either to conceal your eyes or to highlight your area. Moving on to the next product is a compact. So basically everyone has a compact, I guess. I have the Maybelline Fit Me compact and I actually in love with this. This gives a very sheer coverage and this is the matte and poreless one, and it really helps me mattify my skin because I have a really oily skin. So after your compact, the next product is the contour, the blusher and the highlighter. So guess what, I actually have the 3-in-1 palette. This is the Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. So this one basically has contour, highlighter and blusher. I actually broke my contour, that's why I also have an option. So this one actually have like 3-in-1 and it's also affordable, like you get 3-in-1 palette, so that's really handy as well. Maybelline also has a similar range in this, so you can check it out as well. Since I showed you that my contour is broken, I also have an option for the contour. So this is the Sugar Contour De Force Mini Bronzer. This is in the shade Woody Wonder. Sugar also has this kind of single palettes for highlighter and blusher, so you can check them out as well. And yeah, these are like really cute. I like it. Moving on to the eye makeup, first product is for the eyebrows. So for eyebrows, I have the Nykaa Brow Chica Wow eye pencil. This is a very good pencil. Like the pencil is so creamy and it just glides on so smoothly. I am actually wearing this on my eyebrows. This also has a spoolie that helps to comb out your lashes. I'm so sorry. Comb out your brows, and I actually love this product so much. I have never loved a brow pencil product as much as I love this one, and like I love the finishing of this product, so you should totally get this. Next are the eyeshadows. So for eyeshadow, I have few options. So when you are beginning with the makeup, you should probably go for neutral shades. So I have actually this Nika K palettes. One is the very warm and neutral shade. This is in the shade Autumn Spice, and this has all the matte and shimmery shades. Also this comes in different shades. I tend to have the one in Birthday Cake. These also have many more shades, so you can get whichever shade you want, and they will have these kind of colors, and they're very cute, and I am obsessed with cute things. So yeah, but I also have another option. This is the Oriflame Blend Palette Eyeshadow. This is how this looks like. Okay, sorry. This one has kind of all the neutral shades in it. You can wear it for day as well as for night. And if you are like traveling somewhere and you don't like carrying too many eyeshadow palettes, you can totally go for this. This is, yeah, travel friendly. Next is the eyeliner. So for eyeliner, I have the Maybelline Colossal Bold Liner. This is such a good liner. Like before this, I used to feel like I would never be able to apply a liquid liner, but the tip is so fine, it glides on so smoothly on my eyes, and ever since I am in love with this. So you can also go for this as well. Yeah. And the kajal is the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. This one is also a very rich in color and very pigmented. So yeah, Maybelline. Next is the mascara. So for mascara also, I actually tend to have Maybelline. I actually love them. Like I have tried different mascaras, but I always end up buying Maybelline mascaras. So it's the Hyper Curl mascara. So this one is basically a washable mascara. Since I do a lot of makeup and I actually tend to apply eyelashes, so I don't want to waste money on a waterproof mascara, so I actually use this mascara. After the eye makeup, lip products. So I will show you a nude, a pink and a red shade. For that you should always carry a lip balm, because sometimes your lips just dries up and applying lipstick just makes it even worse. So you should always keep a lip balm handy. This is the Baby Lips Bloom lip balm. Actually this has a bit of tint in it, and just in case I don't feel like applying lipsticks, I always go for this, like and I don't need to apply lipsticks as well. So a lip balm. Next I have three different lipsticks from three different shades and in a very affordable range. So first we'll see the nude one. So the nude lip color I have is the Miss Clear Soft Matte Lip Cream. I actually love this shade so much. This is like my fourth bottle or something. This has a very pinkish nude tone into it, and yeah, and I totally love this shade on my lips, and you should definitely try this out as well. Next is in the pink shade. This is the Maybelline Creamy Matte 641. This is like a very pinkish tone, and this is like I am right now wearing it on my lips, and I totally love this shade. This is how it looks like. So yeah, so next I have is a red lipstick. This is the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lipstick in the shade 20 Rhythmic Red. This is like a pure red lipstick, and I have applied it so many times. Like this is how it looks like. So, and this is also a very affordable lipstick, and it is always on discount on Nykaa. Like yeah, but I also need to show you something else. Nowadays, if you have a makeup kit, people tend to actually have eyelashes, like they wear eyelashes, and I have got the most affordable option for you. And I feel nowadays everyone like loves wearing lashes, so this is like a totally optional thing, but I just wanted to include this in the video. So this is the Nykaa Lash Top false eyelashes. These retail for like what, only 200 rupees, and guess what, it also comes with a lash glue in it, so you don't have to worry about buying lashes and buying eyelash glue and then too much expense and then not being able to wear it. So you can try this, only 200 rupees. Also in my next video I'll be creating this look using all of these products, so make sure you are subscribed to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I'm gonna upload that video. And do let me know in the comments below what do you think about it. And if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. 41 Pink My Red.